If you're looking at long-term crypto or tech stocks on a regular price scale chart, you're seeing a distorted picture of reality. Here's how you can fix it by switching to a logarithmic price scale chart. As you can see on this long-term chart of Bitcoin, you can tell that it's had massive exponential growth. On this regular price scale, the early years on the bottom left look entirely flat. We can change this. All you have to do is click on the price scale and go to the bottom. You can see that there's an L. This L stands for logarithmic. Look what happened to the price, and look what happened to the charts. As you can see, the chart snaps into a much more readable trend. And now why does this happen? A regular price scale is showing you absolute dollar moves, while this new logarithmic scale shows percentage moves. For example, a $10 move is huge when a stock is $20, but invisible when a stock is $500, and this scale perfectly represents that. Thank you for watching.